Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Goodnotes is taking up too much space on your device, it's usually because of large notebooks, images, and cached data. The good news is that you can free up a lot of storage quickly. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix Goodnotes using too much storage in 2026 quickly and efficiently. Okay, so first thing first, check what's taking space. So go to settings, go to general, tap on iPad storage and find Goodnotes. See how much space it uses and understand before deleting. Okay, so delete unused notebooks, for example. So remove old or unnecessary notes. Okay, empty trash inside Goodnotes because deleted files still take space until trash is cleared. Okay, you can also remove large images, so delete unnecessary images and screenshots. Avoid inserting very high resolution files because images means biggest storage, they are the biggest storage killers. Okay, so split large notebooks, for example, dive in huge notebooks into smaller ones, archive older sections, okay, because smaller files means better performance plus less load. Okay, you can clear app cache, so go to Goodnotes settings, okay, clear temporary cache, temporary or cache data. So this removes hidden storage usage. Okay, so reinstall the app as a last fix, so make sure your iCloud sync is on, delete Goodnotes, restart device, and reinstall the app. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.